Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning System, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a 47XL, fully finished. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at the quality in this. It's got a 4L blower and it's got a 37 horse Kohler. It's air cooled. It's a beautiful machine. It's got a post heater at the bottom, all stainless. Our famous Access Point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. We have them all over the world in different locations, but it's really the icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts because it can get high pressure without compromising the coils. Most manufacturers, they make copper, that cheap copper. So what happens is they have to govern the top end of the pressure system by bleeding it off and disallowing you to be able to get high pressure. Look at this beautiful stainless. Look at this. 316L, highly polished, just beautiful stainless. Everything is just maxed out quality. Stainless flex hoses, stainless braided hoses, high pressure. Temperature rating is 500 degrees. Got a water box here, got thermal guard for your temperaturization of your water in case it gets too hot, so that you've got this bleeding effect to protect the O-rings in your pump. Last step injection, all braided hoses, as you can see, just a beautiful setup here. Belt guard protection. We got our serial number right here. We have 12 volt ports here, handy ports that allow you to use a pump out or a fresh water pump, whichever device you want to be able to energize and turn on. You've got a oil drain right here for your Kohler engine. 37 horse big block. Look at that. Beautiful engine. Everything here is just maxed out quality. We've got our silencer to keep you within the guidelines of decibel ranges so you can do jobs in sensitive areas. You don't have to worry. Everything is solid stainless all the way around. This 4L blower is 560 CFM. It's a dual wand setup, so if you decided to use it in dual wand, there would be no problem. We use heavy bar stock, non-casted fittings, heavy quality brass, high pressured fittings, last a long time. Stainless pipes coming out from the front. Thermostatic control. Our emblem, trademarked Blue Baron emblem in the front. Beautifully laid out, user-friendly panel, chemical injection, hour meter, tachometer, so you get a bonus tach an hour combined with a pressure gauge, vacuum gauge, and the temperature gauge, as well as the aviator throttle. Gives you a great takeoff and easy landing on RPMs. This actually is what they use in aircraft. Got the throttle and the choke. Just everything is maxed out beautiful. Hand control adjuster, drain for your water box, inlet for your water box, so the water comes in here. Can come off your freshwater tank or a spigot. Oil lubrication for the lobes of your blower. Last step injection. And we have the dual ports here for the high pressure ports where your pressure hose gets connected to. So as you see, even the brackets are heavy duty, 3/16 thick brackets with 3/8 holes, easy mounting in your truck or trailer. And we got another unit out here. That's another 45 SE. We shipped one last week, as well as one of our gray colored powder coated compact 45s. As you can see, we got another compact 45 going out very soon, almost fully finished. Got a week on that. These orders keep coming in because of the quality in which we do our fabrications. 15 years in this business. We know what we're doing. We produce really high quality units. Open concept, quarter plate, all powder coated, stainless headers, high quality all the way around. So if you're looking for a truck mount that's going to last a long time and you want to get your money's worth without having to go to places like John Don and drop 30 grand in a unit that's doesn't even run half as good as these units. The heat is incredible on these units. So, call us today and, ask me any questions. 727-505-2989. Ask for Pete, and we'll hook you up with the best truck mount in the industry. Truckmountstore.com. Check it out. We're 24/7 online. Thank you.